All right, guys. So we spent the day again working on the Charger, trying to finish it up. This thing is now ready for sale. So we've done all the paint touch-ups. I spent a lot of time sanding down all the little paint blemishes, painting them over, and then blending them in. So this is not an easy process, but I think it was worth it on this car because this was one of the more expensive ones and it's very pretty. So right now we're doing the final wash on it. This is the third wash we've done on this car, guys. Hopefully it'll be the last. All right, guys, we've washed this thing. I mean, it's washed, it's polished. All the paint has been as fixed as it's gonna get. The car is repaired. The control arm is done. I mean, this thing is the prettiest and probably most expensive car we have, but this thing looks so good now that it's got its little paint chips fixed. Look, no paint chip there, no paint chip there, no paint chip there. Clean, clean, clean. The dent is not chipped and rusted anymore. It's just a dent. Car's still wet, guys, so bear with me. But it looks good. The trunk looks like it's all one solid color. Cool. Rear quarter. 3 different spots painted there. 1 spot painted there. The whole door has been retouched. We can say there's no more. Oh god, that looks good. The rear quarter, or front quarter. Looks good. Front quarter there, it looks good. Little hood patches, good. So overall, we're back up and pretty. Guys, that's a lot of work I put into this. A lot of work went into this stupid car. I mean, him too, but it was all me. I did everything. That's it. Let's get this thing sold.
Spent my whole life wanna be till I found out what they all wanna be. They wanna be me. They wanna be I. They wanna pull up in the big ride. They wanna cross the globe, 5-star in Dubai. They wanna have houses, oversized couches, 100-inch screen, recessed flush mountain. They wanna have a pool, they wanna feel cool in their own lane, doing something new. They wanna be me.